Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to recover a Facebook account using a US phone number in 2026. So if you lost access, forgot your password, or can't log in anymore, this guide will help you get your account back step by step. First, open Facebook or go to the login page. Then click on Forgot Password to start the recovery process. Now enter your US phone number linked to the account. Make sure you include the correct country code so Facebook can find your profile. Next, Facebook will send a verification code to your phone, so check your SMS inbox and enter the code to confirm your identity. Once verified, you'll be asked to reset your password. Choose a strong new password that you haven't used before for better security. If you don't receive the code, try alternate recovery options like email or trusted devices. Facebook may offer multiple ways to verify your identity. After recovery, make sure to secure your account. So enable two-factor authentication and update your recovery information. And that's how to recover a Facebook account using a US phone number in 2026. Once you follow these steps, you should be able to regain access quickly and safely. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more account recovery tutorials and tech tips. Hey everyone,